Welcome everyone to another Shaolin empty hand taolu. This taolu is very special for you because this is not difficult. You can perform this taolu very easily. First, see the demonstration. You can see there are no complicated moves. If you are a new beginner Kung Fu student, then you can start your journey with this taolu. I already showed every move in my previous videos. You can check out my empty hand taolus. Now see, this taolu is not very long. This is another thing of this taolu. And now the side view. If you are looking for a very easy taolu and easy self-defense techniques, then you can practice this taolu. There are lots of techniques and they are very easy. And you can see there is no such kick. The only main kick is lower side kick. You cannot damage your opponent with this kick, but you can disbalance him for a short time if you hit him in the leg. So this is it guys. Thanks for watching and wish you very happy Christmas.